Put toothpaste on a lime. It looks strange, but it works like magic. This might sound odd, but it has a genius use. Grab a few ripe, juicy limes and cut them in half. Squeeze out the juice from each half. Now, squeeze a bit of toothpaste onto a spoon and mix it into the lime juice. Add 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent, any kind that's tried and true. And now for the secret ingredient that makes everything really kick into gear. Baking soda. Add 2 heaping tablespoons and watch closely. The mixture will start to fizz, foam, and release a fresh citrus scent. These ingredients combine into a powerful, active cleaning formula that tackles grime with ease. Take an empty half-liter plastic bottle and use a soldering iron to make a small hole in the cap. Remove the cap, place a funnel in the bottle's opening, and slowly pour in the mixture. Add about 300 milliliters of clean water and tightly screw the cap back on. That's it. You've just made an effective DIY toilet cleaner. Now just squeeze the bottle and the cleaner will go exactly where you need it. Use a toilet brush to scrub thoroughly. Wait a moment, then flush. The result? Sparkling, clean, fresh-smelling toilet with no harsh chemical odors. It looks like new, and all you used were items you already had at home. Smart, effective, and chemical-free.